What's going on, guys? Marshall here, and welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to go over how to create and modify sequences within Adobe Premiere Pro 2021. So we're going to hop into Adobe Premiere 2021 and go over to this section right here, and there's a post-it note icon right here. So you click on that and click on Sequence, and then go to Settings. And I typically, we'll go back. So these are all presets that Adobe's created for us. I typically peruse by those and go to Settings right here, and then scroll up. This is editing mode. Scroll up to Custom. Time base, keep it at 29.97. I prefer that. You could drop it to 60, 59.94. I like 29.97 for what I do, so we'll go with that. And then frame size, we're going to bump this to 1920 by 1080 for this example. That's basically the frame size that I edit in and do a lot of my video projects in, so we'll just go with that. And then pixel aspect ratio, we'll switch that to square pixels. And now leave the fields, that's fine. Same with this, that's fine. I usually select maximum bit depth and then maximum render quality as well. So now we can this is where you name your sequence, and we'll just do this example 2021. Press OK. And now there we have it. There's your sequence right here. You can tell because of this icon right here. That's the sequence icon that Adobe uses. Now say if we wanted to do any changes to this sequence, we go ahead and just select the sequence, then go up to Sequence up here again, Sequence Settings, and then this is where you can switch the ratio and all the different settings. So press OK, and now we're back. And anyways, guys, that's how you create and modify a sequence within Adobe Premiere Pro 2021. Appreciate y'all tuning in. If you have any questions at all, leave them in the comments below. And until next time.